Hello guys, good morning. So, let's go on book 5, page 11, okay? Grammar point revision. About adverbs, okay? Remember, adverbs are those words that change the intensity or manner or frequency of a verb, okay? Or of an action. So, there are many types of adverbs in English. You have already learned adverbs of frequency, time, manner, place, and degree. Remember, adverbs normally come in 3 positions in a sentence. At the beginning, suddenly the phone rang. In the middle, they have completely forgotten about our appointment. At the end, you speak English well. Where to put the adverb in a sentence depends on the adverb type and the verb tense that is being used. Okay? So, we have a new type of adverb today, guys. The commenting adverbs. Commenting adverbs or evaluating adverbs are different from other adverb types because instead of giving us information about the action itself, they are used by the speaker to comment or give an opinion on something, which changes the meaning of the whole sentence or clause. Commenting adverbs are placed at the beginning or, more rarely, at the end of a sentence. They are usually separated from the rest of the sentence by a comma, because it's your opinion. Remember? So, for example, clearly he doesn't know what he's doing. That's my opinion. He doesn't know what he's doing, clearly. Okay, so at the beginning and the end, it means the same. Or commenting adverbs are placed before the main verb or the auxiliary. He clearly doesn't know what he's doing. It means the same thing, guys. Exactly the same thing. Except when the verb to be is used, which means that they can be placed either before or after the verb. He is clearly not going to pass in the exam. He clearly is not going to pass in the exam. Okay? So, let's learn a few new adverbs. Sorry, guys. Apparently, clearly, presumably, frankly, fortunately, honestly, carelessly, obviously, noticeably, to notice, to evaluate, evidently, carefully, to presume, a limitation, to limit, personally, hopefully. Okay, guys, apparently is when something looks or seems to be true, but we are not sure. For example, I can see some clouds in the sky and I can say, oh, apparently it is going to rain. I'm not sure, okay? But it's a possibility, apparently. Okay, guys, clearly and obviously, they are synonyms, okay? So clearly and obviously, they mean that something is obvious, certain, that we are sure of something, or something that is easily understood. Okay, it's easy to see, it's easy to hear or to read, okay? Clearly and obviously. Presumably means that I think something will probably happen. Will probably happen, not sure. Frankly, we have a similar one in Portuguese, okay? It means in an honest and direct way. Honest and direct. Fortunately. Guys, the word fortunate, actually the word fortune means good luck. Okay? Fortunate is an adjective that means that a person has good luck. And fortunately is the adverb. And it means that something is going to happen, okay, because of good luck. Okay? Honestly, in an honest way. Okay? Carelessly. Carelessly, guys, is an adverb too. And it means that something was done, will be done, without taking or showing any or not enough care or not enough attention. Okay? We have seen obviously. Noticeably is similar to presumably. Okay? No, not exact. Noticeably is more like that is something that is easy to see, easy to recognize. Okay? Noticeably easy to recognize. To notice is the verb of this adverb, and it means that to notice means to see something or to become aware of something, to become conscious of something. Okay? To notice. To evaluate means to judge or to calculate the quality, to calculate the importance, the value, the amount, okay? To evaluate. Evidently is the same as obviously. It's evident, it's obvious, okay? Carefully. Carefully means that something's done with great attention, okay? To presume is a verb, of course, is when I believe that something is true. I believe that something is true, but I am not certain, I'm not sure of that, okay? Limitation and to limit are just like Portuguese. Personally is used to give our opinion, okay? And hopefully is used to express what we would like to happen, okay? Hopefully. So hopefully all this quarantine situation won't take long. That's what I want, okay? I would like this to end soon, okay? Okay, guys, so let's repeat. Apparently, she has lived here since 2010, but doesn't speak the language yet. He was noticeably confused after the teacher explained the new grammar topic. It stopped raining early this morning before the wedding, fortunately. Honestly, she is the most irritating person I know, and I don't want to go to the cinema with her. She carelessly ran home after the exam, happy that she did not have to study that weekend. Frankly, I believe that she needs to go to a doctor instead of looking on Google all the time. Frank Sinatra is clearly one of the best singers in history. What did she notice about the exam in the interview? Very good, guys. So now, let's practice. Remember, I'll make a quick pause between question and answer, so you can pause the video and answer the questions, okay? Has your English noticeably improved since the beginning of the course? Yes, my English has noticeably improved since the beginning of the course. What do you first notice about a person when you meet them for the first time? When I meet a person for the first time, I first notice their eyes. What can a good actor obviously do well? A good actor can obviously pretend to be another person well. Would you take care of my car carefully if I lent it to you? Yes, I would take care of your car carefully if you lent it to me. Do you presume that if students study a lot in this school, they will pass their exam easily? Yes, I presume that if students study a lot in this school, they will pass their exam easily. What ways do computers evaluate a hotel in order to give it 5 stars? I said computers, right? Companies, I'm sorry guys. The ways which companies evaluate a hotel in order to give it 5 stars are, first of all, their facilities, okay? And the type of service they provide, the languages the staff speaks, okay? What don't you honestly like and why? I don't honestly like jackfruit because of the smell. Why did the mother get angry with her son? The mother got angry with her son because he carelessly put his plate in the kitchen sink and broke it. What will you hopefully start doing next year? I will hopefully stop smoking next year. Are there any noticeably intelligent students in this class? Yes, there are some noticeably intelligent students in this class. Have you noticed that this method teaches students facts about geography, history, and culture, as well as the English language? Yes, I have noticed that this method teaches students about geography, history, and culture, as well as the English language. Do you think your teacher presumes that you study before the class? Yes, I think my teacher presumes that I study before the class. Does your teacher correct your exam carefully in order to evaluate your abilities accurately? Yes, my teacher corrects my exam carefully in order to evaluate my abilities accurately. What type of qualification would a good doctor obviously have? A good doctor would obviously have a degree in medicine. Is it important to limit how much time you watch TV for? Yes, it's important to limit how much time you watch TV for, especially for children. What would you personally like to do this weekend if you didn't have any financial or time limitations? If I didn't have any financial or time limitations, I would personally like to go to Paris this weekend. How do you tell a friend that you are worried about them? Frankly, it's difficult to tell a friend that you are worried about them, but you can maybe try asking them if they are having any personal problems. Presumably, you've brought your book to the class today. Yes, I have brought my book to the class today. Okay, guys, this is the new content for today. Okay, and I'll see you next lesson. Okay, bye bye.